Alright, so we just got out of Walmart. Fucking Jerry's.
Why Walmart, dude? Why you gotta say the name?
Bro, Walmart.
Oil's cheaper.
We got that oil. We got that motor crap. Alright, Jerry, what are we doing today? What are we doing today for the people?
I'm gonna do my Ford oil change on my Mustang.
Ford. You know what Ford stands for? Fix or repair daily. That's what it fucking stands for. Dude, my fucking truck needs an oil change too. It's like 300 miles over.
You got your wheel back.
I got my wheel back. My tires, bitch. There's a difference. Yeah.
12 seconds later.
There you go. Don't let pieces away. Jerry, I got the Cobra, I got the other Cobra up in here. I mean, you're on the curve, but it's yeah, good. Still the same. You're good.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
No, fuck.
Fucked up.
Is that recording?
Yeah, bitch. They all know you don't know how to fucking tighten a bolt.
Fuck you.
Bitch, pull it down.
You have to pull it down and then twist. I have oil. Understand that.
Use the socks. Oh yeah, here's the socks.
Oh, no, you gotta do it carefully because you don't want to fucking. Yeah. Have towels. Why do you be at home?
Fucking guy.
Microfiber towels are expensive, bro.
No, those are some Amazon cheap ass shit. That's I don't care about them.
My car.
Fucking guy. Fucking Jerry. You can't change your fucking own oil. You can't put down your own car.
Oh shit, Manzo! Hey, did you open the cap? No. You're supposed to.
That's why we opened that shit.
No, we didn't open it last time.
Yeah, we did.
It needs to breathe to take out all the oil.
No, it's too late.
It's too late already. You gotta.
It's too late. Fuck it. You know, full send.
Well, in a fucking month, I'm gonna do it again. Hey, Manzo. Oh shit, I'm doing it wrong. Yeah, you have to open the dipstick. No, really, where's your dipstick? It's right here. That shit is tight as hell.
That's what she said.
Oh yeah, here metal. That's not normal. Really? That's what Manzo told me. You had it to come out. Alright, so these are my buddies that went out with me to go pick up the car. This is JT's about it, they know when they kidding, he spitting it, know when he getting it, bit and I get in my way. Got this, I like do whatever I say, cause I could go put you on blast. People been mad at me cause I don't follow them back. I'm laughing cause that is so whack. Why they all trying to act like they been bossing when really their bosses been bossing them up? Nobody ever been telling me what I would do when I keep in the cash for the shit out of luck. I want it more, now I get what I wish. Upgrading now with some pants that I whip. Making 6 figures.